Triple Hair can help you feel like yourself again. You can fall back in love with your hair by developing a daily routine of around 5 minutes with a topical combination spray that treats androgenic alopecia. The main advantage of topical combination sprays are that they protect and stimulate hair follicles to produce healthy hair without any systemic side effects. Before each use, make sure that you shake your spray bottle and that your hair and scalp are clean and dry. It is recommended to do a treatment of 5 sprays per day every day. Each spray releases 0.2 milliliters of product. Start by applying one spray on one of the affected areas. Then take 30 seconds to massage the sprayed area. Repeat these steps 4 more times if you have several thinning areas. It's important to apply the treatment on all affected parts of the scalp. As hair growth is relatively slow, you'll see your first significant results after 3 months of use, and optimal results after 6 to 12 months of daily use. It's important to keep using the treatment to maintain your results. Consistency is key to any successful hair growth treatment. Therefore, it's important to create a daily hair care habit to get the best results. Our topical combination sprays don't leave any residue in your hair, so feel free to find the best moment of the day to apply the spray, whether that's in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Once applied, leave the product to air dry on your scalp. Also, try to avoid having your scalp in contact with heat, water, or too much sweat. If you wish to wash your hair later on, make sure to wait at least 4 hours to give the product time to sink in and use a gentle shampoo. After applying the product, make sure to wash your hands. Triple Hair believes that individuals with hair loss can live their lives confidently. Discover which products will give you the best results with our hair regrowth journey quiz. We'd love to hear from you at info@triplehair.ca. Triple Hair can help you feel like yourself again.